Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free gift membership on FlexJob. FlexJob is a trusted platform for remote, freelance, part-time and flexible jobs. While FlexJobs does not offer traditional gift cards, we can give a gift membership to someone so they can access the job listing, and here's how it works. First, you need to open to any of the browser you prefer. And after you open the browser, in the top there's a search bar right here. Type down flexjob.com and enter it. And once the FlexJobs open it, you'll get into this interface. Over here, what you can do is select the start if you have not already a subscription. And once here, you can select this a gift certificate in the top right. In order to do that, you need to select a monthly plan for 1 month, 3 months or annual plan. All plan gives full access to job and career resources, and after that you can enter the recipient details, your gift card code, your postal code and select get remote jobs. Now you need to make the payment. You need to fill your payment information, credit card people, and complete the checkout. And that's it. In just few minutes you can give a full access to hundreds of hand screen flexible jobs via FlexJob, and also you can get a gift membership on FlexJob. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion on how to get gift card on FlexJob, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.